Hey, it's me. Hopefully, are we working? Yes, we're working. We're good to go. Okay, so first of all, doesn't the blouse look pretty? You don't normally get to see me in a pretty blouse and hair and even a necklace. Thank you very much. Still in my work clothes. But I figure I'm just unboxing something and reading the instructions. So you can see what I look like for my day job. Just Diet Coke, it's work night. Okay, so I had bought a planer back on Amazon Prime Days. And don't know if it was me, if it was the planer, if it was shipping, because other people on YouTube have had that Viver, or whatever planer, haven't had a problem. I had nothing but problems. So I finally gave up and I bought what I should have bought to begin with. I got the DeWalt planer, the 12.5-inch heavy duty portable thickness planer. So here it is. When they say team lift, I mean, maybe there's someone who could do it, but it was a team lift for us. So I had the child Scout, which she's a cute little teenager, not a weightlifter, and me, who the only weight I carry is my weight. So, but we got it up here. It was not easy. So if you're gonna do this, have help, even if it's just to take it out of the box part. Okay, so I figured you guys didn't need to watch me take it out of the box. I mean, that seemed kind of stupid. If you want to see someone take it out of the box, go for it. You don't need me to do that. Okay. Assembly. To reduce the risk of serious personal injury, turn tool off. Okay. If you need this to tell you not to turn it on till after you put it together, you have bigger issues than YouTube University is ever going to be able to help you with. Just saying. Not saying, just saying. Okay, before using your planer, fold down the table extensions in the front and back of the tool. Oh, there's boxes in there. It's like Christmas. Oh, you know what else? I got my thingy on the back here because this was the thingy that I used for the router table. Hold on. So I need to see if I can turn it. Ah, the microphone fell off. Okay, so this might be a bad thing. Scotch tape, painting tape might not work. But I lost the little hooky thingy, which isn't saying anything, because today I lost the magnet to my name tag when one of my residents was beating my butt. And I didn't find the magnet till later that hold my thingy until I went pee and it fell out of my bra. So, okay. Holder thingies. Okay, so this has got to be turned around. Yeah, this is a team lift thingy. Holy, oh shit. Hold on. Okay. There we go. That's highly technical stuff right there. Okay. Okay. There we go. We did it. Kind of. Okay. So then we're going to undo both of these. Ta-da! But it doesn't mention that there's a box in here. Is this one box or two boxes? One box. Well, see, it kind of is an unboxing. Just didn't know it'd be an unboxing of. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Maybe I'm supposed to cut it some more. Ah, okay. So this is This goes like on here to spit the dust out. So I'm gonna put that over there for now. And this is the adapter thingy to spit the dust out. Oh, can't see me opening the bag. Oh, it's the knobby. Okay, so it fits right on there and it only goes one way, so hopefully it means it's the right way. And then the screw is a Allen wrench kind of screw, which it comes with. I love it when they come with tools. Okay, so righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, maybe. Yes. Okay. And see that? I think those are magnets. They are. Look at that. Freaking awesome, dude. Okay, yeah, I need to get a life because that was entertaining me way too much. Okay, so then this goes back in here, right? Yes, probably, kind of. Okay. Okay, so I've yet to actually find any of this in the instructions. Okay, so we did that. Dust hood installation. The dust hood is only to be attached when connecting the planer to a dust collection system. Remove the dust hood if the planer is to be used alone to allow the chips to fall freely out of the planer exhaust. It says, do not connect a vacuum cleaner or shop vac to the dust hood. The capacity of most vacs does not support the volume of chips ejected during planing. Good to know. So we don't have to attach that because we're not doing that. To set the finish thickness, raise the head lock lever number 9 to the unlock the cutter head. Okay. Okay, number 9. 7, 5, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Oh shit, where's number 9? 9. Okay, so 9's like a random handle in the middle of the world. Now, lift bar to disengage headlock prior to adjusting height of cutter blade. Depress bar to engage headlock prior to cutting. Huh? Okay, I'm not gonna let you guys know how long this takes me. We're gonna pretend it's not gonna take me all freaking day to figure this out. Oh, I think I got it. Ow. Okay, so does that engage it or disengage it? Okay, lift bar to disengage. So was it disengaged and I just engaged it? Depress bar. Okay, so right now, I'm not supposed to adjust it. Ooh, that hurt. I broke a nail, by the way. This thing is, okay. So it's lifted, but should disengage. Which means I should be able to adjust it. Am I adjusting it? It's going down. Double-edged knives, rotate or change as needed. Okay, so if I'm doing this right, but see, that's not moving. Oh, that doesn't move until I put something in it, right? Oh, I should, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn around. Hold on. Am I still recording? Still recording. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around because I just realized you kids, I've been talking to you this whole time and you have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay. Let me adjust. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is that thingy I was talking about that you have no idea. So it should be that I go like this and it's engaged. Headlock. And then I lift bar to disengage headlock prior to adjusting heights of cutter head. Do that and then you adjust the height of the cutter head. Like this. I'm confused. So are these inches and these millimeters? Found something. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, yep. So these are centimeters. These are inches. Good to know. Okay. So what I do is I crank this up and down. I don't see anything in the way of the blades now. Then once I get the right set height, depth, you know, that I want to take, and they said not to do more than 1/8 of an inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over by the door so the shavings go in the driveway. I'll reset you up, so hold that thought. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I moved us by the door so we blow out to the driveway. I know it looks weird. It's actually pine to look like a cutting board because I was thinking about making like a cookbook holder for it to make it look, I don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, it'd be good to run through the planer, and if I kill it with snipe, the world's not going to come to an end before I put the real cutting boards through it. So I need to adjust it. I'm basically going to adjust it until I see the little red line move. Okay, so it says I can do up to 1/8, but I don't want to do up to 1/8 because I'm afraid. So I'm really going to do on this lowest setting because actually maybe I can even do it lower. Won't give it back. What the hell? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, see, it's right there. Is it because it's not? Okay, there we go. Because, oh, maybe I need to do it so the whole wide part is there, even though that's not under. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to put it through. So next I need to lift this up. Lift bar to disengage. Oh, depress bar to engage. Okay, so it's engaged. I got that going. Oh, let me put my apron on because I am in a work shirt. Okay, this is the one from Hope Hospice because I volunteer for Hope Hospice as a dementia trainer. Because during the day, I work with the only true, honest people on the planet. People living with dementia. If they're telling you your hair looks good today, your hair actually looks good today. And if they tell you you look like a fat slob in that outfit, then you look like a fat slob in that outfit. Just saying. You need ear protection. Okay. It's like really smooth, like a baby bottom smooth. Okay, so let's do this side. See, this side's got snipe already on it from before when I was trying to plane. So let's send it this way this time. And remember, there's already snipe there and there. You know what? Let's mark it with a Sharpie so we remember. So I'm going to put snipe and snipe. Is there any other snipe? Yeah, a little bit here. A little there, a little there, a little there. Okay, so we're going to send it through again. First we'll adjust it. Oh wait, we can't adjust it because we have it engaged. That's right, we have to. Okay. Hopefully we did that right. Now we need to engage, which is press down. We need to turn it on. And it like... So it's gotten most of the snipe out. See, the writing's gone. A little bit there and a little bit there. So lift this up, do another little quarter crank, put it down, turn it on. Okay, I'm going to get my first real cutting board and run it through it. Okay, so this one I've pre-sanded and stuff, but it's still kind of feeling. Okay. I gotta adjust it. Okay. Here we go. Kind of caught it there for a second, so I'm worried it might have some snipe. I don't feel any snipe. It's still awfully wavy though. Okay. I'm going to send it through again without changing the height. I like that. It's rough though. It feels like you pop the grain kind of feeling. And is that snipe or is that, would snipe go all the way across that way? I'm confused. Okay, I'm gonna send it one more time. Just a little turn. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. First, I'm going to do it without adjusting the height. Okay, so I like that. I think it's playing pretty good. Okay, next one with the stripe in it. Doesn't fit underneath it. Okay. That's my DeWalt planer, right out of the box. Able to assemble it, put it together. I guess assemble and put it together, same thing. Plane some wood, figure out the adjustments, and nothing smoked. So I'm very, very happy. Now on to the next step of making cutting boards and making them look good. So please subscribe, watch. Well, you are watching if you're at this point. Subscribe, like. What else do you want me to put through the planer? Be nice. Some of you aren't very nice. So, talk to you soon.